Welcome to this introduction video of Bizplay. In this video, I'd like to show you how easy it is to create content for your public TV screens using Bizplay. You start by opening your web browser, going to the Bizplay website and logging in with your personal credentials. Once you do, you will be taken to your own dashboard where you see the three basic building stones of Bizplay: pages, playlists, and channels. We'll start creating content by making some pages. Open the Pages panel by clicking on it and then click Add Blank Page to create a new page from scratch. Click Edit to go to the designer, and there you see a big white canvas onto which we can add either basic elements or apps from the left-hand side. Let's drag on an image. That opens up an image catalog, and here I can pick any image that I've uploaded previously. I can simply upload images by dragging them in here, but I'll pick this green background for now. Let's resize that a bit, like so. Oh, almost there. Here we go. Next, we'll add a logo. There we go. Lovely. And then we'll add a small box to put in some text. Let's make this darker. Add some transparency. Otherwise it's a bit too dark. Maybe a border. Maybe some rounded corners. Yep, I like that. And next we'll add some text. My text for you all to read. Let's move that down here. Maybe put some title in front of that. Like so. And as you can see, we have many fonts to choose from, so you have a lot of ways to make this really stand out to your own liking. Let's make this a little bit more readable by making it white, bigger. There we go. Oh, that gives you an idea of what you can do. We go back to the dashboard by saving it first, and as you can see, there is our first page. Now let's create a second one to eventually create a presentation. I'll start off with a photograph in the background. And then I'll add the weather app, for example. Let's have a look at the weather in Amsterdam. There you go. The hourly forecast. We can also have a daily forecast, but I'll choose the hourly for now. Then in many subscriptions, you can also have animations. I'll add that because that adds a nice effect. I'll let you see. I'll demonstrate that in a bit. And let's call this forecast for Amsterdam. Here we go. Maybe center that a bit, and would be nice to make that white as well. A bit bigger. Okay. I guess that will work. Yep. Nice. Okay, I saved that and go back. So now I've created two pages. I want to see them play back in a sequence. And for that, I need to put them in a playlist. I'll open the playlist panel, add a new playlist, and then simply drag in the page. Here's another page. I can change the order if I like. And by default, the playback duration is 15 seconds. I'll change that to 5 seconds right here. Save that. Set a different random page transition. Here we go. And let's preview that. See what that looks like. There's our first page. There's a second page with that nice animation. And there's our first page again. And as you can imagine, this will repeat endlessly. Yeah, cool. So next, I'd like to show you one other type of app. We have a whole set of social media apps. And I'll show that by showing the Twitter app, for example. First of all, you need to add a Twitter account. I've added that before. So here I pick it from this select box, and let's say I want to show some tweets from CNN, for example. I can press the refresh button to load those tweets, and every time I press the button, you'll see that it will show the next tweet, and so on. There are different ways to showing tweets. This is the callout way, and a nice one is the social wall, which just fills up a whole section using tweets, so you can make a whole page out of tweets or Facebook posts or Instagram posts. You can even give them some color as well if I like, with some transparency. And this also includes images. So as you can see, that will look like that. And let's see how that looks in a playlist. Save that, go back, preview that again. And here you see the first set of tweets. And what it will do is on the next page transition, it will refresh the tweets and move on to the next ones. There you go. And that's the way it loops. So now we've created our content, we'd like to publish it, right? How do we do that? Well, we open up the channels panel and you'll see a channel. We can add multiple channels if we like, but what is a channel? Well, a channel is nothing more than a public web address that can be used on any playback device, on your public TV screen, for example. So on your public TV, make sure that you have a web browser and point that web browser to this particular web address. And then if you open that page, this web address, it will start playing whatever's in that channel. What can we put in this channel? Well, a playlist. You can also put in multiple playlists, even schedule them to play at certain times. But I'll show you one playlist right now. So now our Untitled playlist is in here. And this is what it looks like when you would go to that particular web address. And as you expect, that's the exact same playlist that we've previewed before. And that's the way that you publish and subsequently play your content. And every time you make any updates in your pages or in your playlist, it will reflect almost immediately on any playback device that is playing this particular channel with this playlist in it. Great, so I hope I've given you a good impression of how Bizplay works and what it can do. Should you want more information, just go to bizplay.com and don't hesitate to mail us at info@bizplay.com if you have any specific questions. Thank you very much.